Hey fellas, let's check for the Dewalt battery. It's 5 amps and the charger shows it's fully charged. Only 2 lights are working. Okay, let's open it. We have the plate here. Normally when we have a problem like this, the one back of the cells are not charging. They need to be replaced, so let's try to test the packs. Okay. 3.6, 3.6, 3.6, 3.67, 3.69, 3.6, 3.8, 3.8, 4 volts, 4 volts. Okay, so this one are getting charged more, it seems to be, so that can be that the cells need to be balanced. You can see this one have 3.6, this one have more, 3.8, and this one have 4.1. So they're fully charged, and basically it can be that they are showing the charger that this battery pack is fully charged, because this one is reaching the maximum charging voltage. Okay, what can we do here? We can try to balance them, or we can try to discharge this one and then try to charge the battery again.